Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create default task into project when user create any new task. You can see here our module Dev project task template. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to configuration menu and see here this menu task template. Create new template like a template 1, add deadline like a 31st in take design. Let's say you. Now go to projects and create new like office work. If you want to send mail, so here email, and if you want to display this task, so first allow true. Now create project and see here this template 1 is created. Project is office work in deadline and also display here one task. Thank you.